Buying a food processor. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a food processor.
I'd be happy to help. What do you usually use a food processor for?
I cook almost every day. I use it to chop vegetables, grate cheese, mix dough, and sometimes make smoothies.
In that case, I'd recommend this model. It has a powerful 1,000-watt motor and comes with several attachments for slicing, shredding, mixing, and kneading.
That sounds useful. Is the bowl large enough for a family of 4?
Yes, it has a 3-liter bowl, which is perfect for preparing family meals.
Is it easy to clean?
Absolutely. The bowl, lid, and blades are dishwasher safe, so cleaning is quick and easy.
That's great. Is it noisy?
It's quieter than most similar models, although you'll still hear the motor when it's running.
I understand. How many speed settings does it have?
It has 2 speed settings and a pulse function.
How much does it cost?
It's on sale today for $179 instead of $219.
That's a good discount. I think this is exactly what I'm looking for. I'll take it.
Excellent choice!
Ordering a custom cake. Good afternoon. Welcome to Sweet Moments Bakery. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to order a custom birthday cake for my daughter.
Wonderful! When is the birthday party?
It's next Saturday, so I'd like to pick up the cake that morning.
That won't be a problem. How many people will the cake serve?
About 20 people.
Great! Do you have a flavor in mind?
Yes, she'd like a chocolate cake with strawberry filling.
That's one of our most popular cakes. What about the decoration?
She loves unicorns and pastel colors. Could you decorate the cake with a unicorn and some flowers?
Of course! We can also write a message on the cake.
Yes, please. I'd like it to say, "Happy 10th birthday, Lily."
No problem. Would you like candles as well?
Yes, please.
10 candles. Certainly. Do you have any food allergies we should know about?
No, everyone can eat regular cake.
Perfect. The total price is $65, including the decorations and the candles.
That's fine. Do I need to pay today?
We ask for a $20 deposit, and you can pay the rest when you pick up the cake.
Sounds good. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Great.
I'm really excited to see the cake. We'll make sure it's beautiful. Your cake will be ready for pickup next Saturday at 10 a.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. We look forward to seeing you next week.
Buying a used car. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a used car.
Of course. What kind of car are you looking for?
I want a small car that is reliable and doesn't use too much fuel.
I think this Toyota Corolla is a good choice. It's 4 years old and in very good condition.
How many miles does it have?
It has 45,000 miles.
Has it had any accidents?
No, it has a clean history. And our mechanics checked it before we put it up for sale.
That's good. How much does it cost?
The price is $18,500.
Can I look inside?
Of course. It has comfortable seats, air conditioning, Bluetooth, and a backup camera.
It looks very clean. Can I take it for a test drive?
Certainly. May I see your driver's license first?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. Let's go for a short drive. So, how did you like the car?
I really liked it. It was comfortable and easy to drive.
I'm glad to hear that. Do you have any questions?
Yes. Does it come with a warranty?
Yes, it comes with a 6-month warranty.
Can you lower the price a little?
Yes, I can give you a $500 discount if you buy it today.
That sounds fair. I'd like to buy it.
Wonderful! Would you like to pay in full or finance the car?
I'd like to finance it.
No problem. We offer monthly payments over 5 years. Let's fill out the paperwork.
Hiring a cleaning service. Good morning! Welcome to Sparkle Cleaning Services. How can I help you?
Good morning! I'd like to hire a cleaning service for my apartment.
Of course! How many bedrooms does your apartment have?
It has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a kitchen, and a living room.
Great! We can certainly do that. What would you like us to clean?
I'd like you to vacuum the floors, dust the furniture, clean the bathroom, and mop the kitchen floor.
No problem. We also clean windows, change bed sheets, and empty the trash if you'd like.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, we can add that to your service.
How long does the cleaning usually take?
For an apartment your size, it usually takes about 2 to 3 hours.
Do I need to provide the cleaning products?
No, our team brings all the cleaning supplies and equipment.
That's convenient. How much does it cost?
It costs $95 per visit.
Okay, I'd like to book my first cleaning.
Wonderful! Are you available this Friday morning?
Yes, Friday at 9 a.m. is perfect.
Great! May I have your name, please?
My name is David Brown.
Okay, Mr. Brown. You're all booked for Friday at 9 a.m. We'll see you then.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Joining a wellness program. Hello! Welcome to Active Life Wellness Center. How can I help you today? Hi, I want to join a wellness program. Can you tell me more about it? Of course! What would you like to improve? I want to be healthier. I don't exercise much. I eat too much fast food. And I often feel tired. You're not alone. We can help you build healthy habits. What does the program include? It includes fitness classes, healthy eating advice, yoga, and weekly meetings with a wellness coach. I've never been to a gym before. Is that a problem? Not at all. Our program is perfect for beginners. We start with easy exercises and increase the difficulty slowly. That sounds good. How many times a week should I come? We recommend coming 3 times a week. How much does the program cost? It's $50 per month and you can cancel anytime. That's a good price. I'd like to sign up. Wonderful! Can you start next Monday? Yes, I can. Perfect! Please fill out this form and we'll see you on Monday.
A plumber's visit. Good afternoon. I'm Daniel from Home Care Plumbing.
Oh, hello! Please come in.
Thanks. What seems to be the problem?
My toilet keeps running after I flush it. And my water bill has gone up.
I see. How long has this been happening?
For about 2 weeks. I hoped it would stop, but it didn't.
No problem. Let me have a look. I found the issue. The flush valve inside the tank is worn out, so the water keeps flowing.
Is it difficult to fix?
Not at all. I just need to replace the old valve with a new one. It should take about 20 minutes.
That's good news. Please do it.
Everything is finished. Would you like to test it?
Sure. It works perfectly. The water stops after a few seconds now.
Excellent. That should also help lower your water bill.
I hope so. How much do I owe you?
The total is $95. That includes the new part, the repair, and the service call.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thanks.
Have a wonderful day.
Thanks. You too.
At the Hair Salon.
Good morning! Welcome to Style Studio. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have an appointment at 10 o'clock. My name is Emily.
Great! We've been expecting you. Please follow me. What would you like to do with your hair today?
I think it's time for a big change. I've had the same hairstyle for years, and I'm ready for a completely new look.
I love hearing that. What don't you like about your current hairstyle?
It's too long, outdated, and boring. I want something modern and stylish.
Are you open to cutting it much shorter?
Yes, definitely. I was thinking about a shoulder-length bob.
That would suit your face shape very well. Have you thought about changing the color too?
Yes, I'd like to go light brown.
We could add some blonde highlights or some light brown highlights.
I like the idea of light brown highlights.
That's a great choice. They'll add depth and brightness to your hair.
Perfect. I also want my hair to have less volume. My hair feels too thick and bulky.
No problem. I'll thin it out a little and add some layers. We're almost finished. I'll style your hair so you can see the final result. I think you're going to love it.
Wow, I can't believe that's me. It looks amazing.
I'm so glad you like it.
I feel like a completely different person. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Sometimes a new hairstyle is the perfect way to start a new chapter.
Returning an item to an electronics store.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to return these wireless headphones.
No problem. Can I ask why you're returning them?
They don't work properly. The sound keeps cutting out and the battery doesn't last very long.
I see. When did you buy them?
I bought them about a week ago.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check your purchase. Everything looks fine. Since you bought them less than 30 days ago, you can choose a refund or an exchange.
I'd like to exchange them for another pair of the same model.
Certainly. We have another pair available.
Great! Can I test them before I take them home?
Of course. That's a good idea. Here you go.
Everything is working perfectly. I'll take these.
Perfect. Please sign here to confirm the exchange. Thank you. Here's your new receipt and your replacement headphones.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.